Hey folks, it's Rod with Power Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth, your home for MJ Stocks, crypto assets, and interviews. It is Monday, October 10th. Happy Thanksgiving to all of my friends in Canada here, my fellow Canadians. It was a holiday today, obviously, so didn't have my regular routine. So those of you in the Power Group private community, I'll resume the live streams tomorrow. But before we get started, make sure to smash the like, help support me in the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. But once again, happy Thanksgiving to my fellow Canadians. Going to get started with today's video. Going to do a quick giveaway. So as a gesture back to the community, I want to give away one free annual membership to the Power Group private community. So thanks again for joining us for the live stream today. Also going to do just a quick update on the market here real quick. And before we get to it, I do want to just mention that you can still go in here and enter. So if you haven't done this, just go to the Power Group private community. I'll also put the link in here right now into the chat, into the comments. There's the YouTube video. And if you click on that link in the chat, it'll take you here. If you just drop a comment on here, it'll enter you into the draw. So essentially it's just going to pick a random comment there from that video. And I highly encourage you to check that video out as well. It was an interview with Alex Royer, who is the owner of Analyse Cannabis, and it was really good, very insightful. So like I said, going to do a random giveaway here, and we'll pick the winner in just a moment. But like I said, there's still time to go there and drop a comment. So we'll just take a quick, maybe less than 5 minutes at the market today. And there was some weakness again in the MJ space today, weakness in the broader market. So if you were wondering why the S&P 500 was down, so if you're wondering why MJ was down, that was pretty much the reason why for that. But let us know where you're tuning in from in the chat as well. And good luck to the lucky winner. And like I said, we'll do a quick update on the actual state of the market and then what to potentially expect for tomorrow as well. So I did mention that SPY could see another leg down, and this was 11 days ago. So I said watch for 360.69 support and then 357, and then we drop down through that support. The next is 350 psychological that's on deck. And then after that, I'm looking at around 325, which is the previous all-time highs. So it's saying that we could potentially see another leg down, probably another couple of weeks. I think we're going to get our bottom, and then we're going to see a massive rally into the end of the year is what my thesis is saying based on this .com fractal that's been following to perfection. Also, North Carolina governor urges state lawmakers to legalize MJ. This came out today. The call from North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper follows President Biden's historic pardon last week. We also saw that Colorado governor and top officials call on Congress to pass MJ banking bill. So we're starting to see more and more of the dominoes fall, all in the direction that we would like to see. In terms of crypto, at the moment, we are seeing some weakness. We are pulling back here on the 15-minute time frame. We're seeing another leg down, 15-minute downtrends pretty much across the board. So again, adding more confluence to the fact that we could see another leg down, in my opinion, in Bitcoin and also in the broader market. If we take a look at the SPY futures here, it's a daily inside bar. So resistance is 3667 and support's at 3600. If we lose that support, then we continue daily consolidation for the third day in a row. If we break resistance, then we start the first daily bounce for the first time in 3 days. So we could potentially change the trend here, but it's more than likely favoring a type of equilibrium. If we take a look at SPY today, it was essentially a double bottom. So we had 357.04 was the low of the pullback from the all-time high, and we hit 357.67. So pretty much a double bottom there at 357. And if we hold that, it's all about 357 from now. From here on out, right? So if we hold that support, it's essentially a double bottom, and then it's all about 379.46 resistance, because if we break that resistance, we're back in a daily uptrend. Don't be surprised if we see, again, more weakness into the end of the week here, another potential leg down. Like I said, I am expecting another potential for one or two more potential legs down, and if we could see 330s, maybe 340s, but I think maybe 330s, maybe 325, which is the previous all-time high before the C19 dump. And that could be set over the next couple of weeks where I think our bottom's going to be in. And then that's right before the midterms into November 8th elections. And then we get the FOMC rate in November and December, which I think they're going to turn a little bit more dovish. Tesla broke to a lower low today. HMMJ, so Canadian MJ was weak today. CGC was down over 13% at one point. So getting close to its 52-week low there at $2.13. And HMMJ gave back that whole move, right? So in that one day, HMMJ was up about 15%, and here we are, gave it all back. MSOS, so definitely stronger of the two comparative to MJ in Canada. If we take a look at MSOS, we're still in a daily uptrend, and we have a ton of room. We would need to drop from the low of the day today. We'd need to drop another 18% to lose that low and to lose that daily uptrend, because we have the low, high, higher low, and higher high. We need to hold this higher low. So we have no support all the way down to 879. So don't be surprised if we see a little bit more weakness in MJ as well, with the broader market following suit with them. And also we could still see an EMA 12 and 26 bull cross. So it's not completely game over. We haven't even tested EMA 26 yet, but not ruling out the fact that we could see another potential leg down. So it's not looking that great. But essentially what we'll do is we'll pick a winner here, and you can just go down. If you go to powgroup.ca or pursuitofwealthgroup.com, scroll down, the email is right there. You can copy that email. But essentially, I will copy that and paste it into the chat here as well. And cheers to everybody joining the stream. Good luck. So essentially, I'll pick a winner here now. And then after the winner is picked, you can just email me at that email that I dropped there in the comments, and you'll be the winner. So good luck to everybody. So essentially what it was is I made a post saying that I was going to give away one annual gold membership. So an annual membership to the Powell Group private community. And all you had to do is click on that YouTube link, drop a comment. I think a couple of people are dropping some comments there now before the contest gets started. But I'm going to do a 5-second countdown. So we'll do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So paste it in here, and I should be able to say anything goes, include replies. So if anybody accidentally replied to a thread, somebody else's comment, it'll pick that up too, but it's not allowing duplicates. So anything goes. We're going to fetch, pick a winner. David Miller, congratulations. So he said, very good interview. Thank you. Wondering if any news on the Tyson Hexo partnership, is it moving forward? And I believe actually, David, you were the first person who commented on the video. So congratulations. And yeah, just send me an email. Congratulations once again. And thanks everybody who participated. But essentially, David Miller, to answer your question, I know I'm pretty sure Alex Hoya came into the comments there and answered that, but essentially it's a no-go in Quebec and Alberta as of right now. So the rest of Canada, yes, but as of Quebec and Alberta, no. Things might change though if they find a way to brand it differently, or I'm not sure if they're able to package it in such a way that it's going to make a difference with Quebec and Alberta. We'll see. But essentially, they don't like the self-promotion of a particular individual, right? The Trailer Park Buds was another thing that got shut down. It was associated to people or entities, so they wanted to get rid of that. And yeah, it's just a no-go in Alberta and Quebec. Definitely, they didn't really state exactly why, but yeah, it is what it is at this point. Congrats, yeah, you bet. And cheers back. Congratulations. Joining you guys from Utah. Awesome. That's awesome. Welcome from Utah. Well, you guys will have your Thanksgiving soon, but once again, happy Thanksgiving to my fellow Canadians. But again, thanks everybody who participated. I'll probably give away another membership at some point soon. But going, whoops, just went to remove my screen from the screen share, but going to end it there. Thanks again for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth. It's Rod with Powell Group. If you could smash like on your way out, I would appreciate it. And like I said, we'll do another giveaway at some point in the future. And who knows, maybe we'll do one sometime around Christmas time. All right, going to end it there. Have a great night. Once again, happy Thanksgiving to all my fellow Canadians. Have a great night. We'll talk to you again on the next video.